Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another wig install, and as you guys can see, she is giving what she's supposed to give. But wait, she is only $55 and I got her off on Amazon. What? So we do have Sensational Davina in the house. I do have her in the color 1B. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It has combs on the front. It has a comb in the back, an elastic band so you can wear it glueless. But let's just get into this hairline. Do y'all not see what I'm seeing? Okay, y'all already know how Sensational is, and y'all know how they do. They give it to us. Okay, so I was really impressed with this wig overall. This what the curls look like up close, straight out the package, and I would say she was eating. Okay, look at this up close texture shot for you girls. Now I did go in and do a little bit of plugging. Okay, it was already plugged. Y'all already know how Sensational units be. It becoming plugged, but you know I just went in to do just a little bit more. So it comes with baby hairs. Y'all see the hairlines eating. It's doing what it do. Yeah, the lace needs to be tinted because clearly it's not a match to my skin tone. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're going in with our cream foundation in the level 12, and I'm using the lighter shade today just to see, you know, if I like this shade better or the darker one. We put in the wig back on her head, and this is what the lace looks like after it's tinted. And baby, she is giving scalp. Don't play with her, okay? I am pulling the baby hairs back into the hairline. Like I said, the hairline does come plucked, but if you do push the baby hairs back into the hairline, it don't look that plucked at all. It looks very uniformed. So you will have to go in and do more plucking if you do not like the baby hairs, okay? So I'm just taking my hot comb and pushing everything out of the way. That way, when we get into securing it down, them baby hairs don't be just playing. Okay, so we want to make sure everything is up and out of the way, and I'm not using any wax or anything because y'all see this wig is already very, you know, semi shiny, so I'm not adding no wax. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and I cut fairly close to the lace. You can leave how much lace you want. I know a lot of people don't be liking how much lace I take off, but honey, to each its own. You could do whatever you like. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and part around the ear. And we're going to make sure it fits ear to ear, ear tab to ear tab. So I love that this unit comes with a lot of lace. I would consider it big head friendly. And it does come with the elastic band as well. You can wear it glueless if you like. All right, so this is what it looks like when the lace is cut off. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and secure it down using my favorite Ebin lace spray. This is the one that has the biotin in it, and I will forever use this brand. I don't think I'm ever going back to the black bottle because I don't know, I just feel like it protects my edges. Y'all know when I be going in and using that lace glue, I be ripping out my edges, and ain't nobody got time for that. I just want them to grow back in and just, you know, remain intact. So I feel like lace spray in and of itself does not pull out your edges, but it can if you don't, you know, remove it properly. And I just remove my wigs off, or take my wigs off with water. But anyway, the process is always the same when it comes down to installing my wigs. I put 1 or 2 layers. I allow it to dry down on a cool heating setting. I wait till the product is tacky. Once it's tacky, I align the wig with where I place the product, and that is it. Lace spray is super duper easy compared to lace glue in my opinion. And I could be very biased because I don't know how to use lace glue at all, but that's just neither here or there. So I don't show this entire process throughout the video because it's very repetitive, and I have so many videos of me doing the exact same thing. So I just show me doing one side, and that's it. So like I said, you want to make sure your lace is very flat. Don't pull it too tight or it will ripple, and you know, you'll have lines and waves going at the top of your hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it up and just add my elastic band, and we're gonna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes. You're taking off the elastic band, and don't mind the dirty elastic band. Like literally, I would use both sides of that. I want to make sure every side of that elastic band is used before I actually go and buy another one. I don't know if you can wash them. I've never tried, but I'm sure you can. So we're gonna try that, and I'm gonna get back with y'all to see how that goes. So I'm doing baby hairs. I know everybody don't like baby hairs. Baby hairs is not y'all's cup of tea. Y'all, I was on TikTok. I don't know where I was at, to be honest, but I seen they was like, I can't wait till this baby hair trend stop. I can't wait till the baby hairs are gone. Sis, why you waiting? What you waiting for? You can just, go on doing your installs without doing baby hairs. Like, y'all be really doing the most. It ain't that serious. But anyway, y'all, I'm taking my 1-inch flat iron, and we're just going to go ahead and curl towards our face. And then we're going to take our got2b glue spray, and we're going to spray it on this brush, and we're going to go ahead and swoop those baby hairs. If you struggle with baby hairs, get you a 1-inch flat iron, and I'm telling you, it's going to help you swoop easily. And I cannot believe that the got2b glue spray has been hitting on these synthetic wigs. Like, I use the got2b spray to mold my baby hairs on my virgin hair units, but lately it has been hitting on these synthetic wigs, and I don't have to worry about it lifting or anything. However, I do go and spray the entire baby hair and dry it down after I get them molded how I like them. But yeah, lately I just been doing shortcuts with baby hairs and not doing them all over the hairline. I'm just doing the part that you can see, because I ain't got time for that. I ain't gonna lie. And it does give you baby hairs, so you don't have to create your own. You can just pull out the ones that were already in the unit in the first place. Now we're going into define the part. This unit comes as a middle part, I do believe, but you can wear it as a side part. You can wear it half up, half down. Y'all, I don't know what made me not style this unit. Like, I just was like, we gonna have to do another video of me styling it, because why didn't I style this unit? Like, I could have did a deep side part. I feel like it would have been super cute with a deep side part, but that's just neither here or there. It's too late now. The video's done. We are going into hot comb the hairline a little bit more. I love everything to look unified and laid, so I do add my Sebastian hair spray just so all the flyaways can stay in place. It's not that many flyaways, but I just love how the Sebastian hairspray makes my hairline look up there. So we just gonna hot comb everything down, right? And then of course y'all know I got to do my little bumps in the front to, give my hairline a little bit of personality. Towards the front, I like to go in and comb in that product first, that hairspray first, and then follow up my hot comb, because look how, baby, it's giving fresh relaxer. Stop playing with it. Lastly, we're going to go in with our 𝐚𝐟𝐼𝐬𝐬 Format Lotion, and we're going to go ahead and define the curls. The curls got lost in the sauce throughout the process of me, styling the hair, doing my baby hairs, and plucking. So it did get frizzy. So basically what I did was finger detangle. I did not brush out the curls. I used a comb. If it was, too tangly, it got too tingly. So I used the comb to comb it out and then put the product in there. I was shook, okay? I was shook that this product worked very well with the hair. It kept the curls in. Now, I have not washed a curly hair unit before, so don't ask me about that. I think I'm going to go ahead and actually finally do that with this specific unit, but I'm going to order a backup one just in case I mess up something, because, baby, I love this unit. So, yeah, all I did was put a little amount of product, and look at the curls. They just came back in. So that's one thing I love about the unit. Like, you mess up the curls, you can put it back in. Now, let's get started on the texture. The texture feels synthetic. I don't care what nobody say. It's giving My Little Pony very synthetically. So just because it looks like virgin hair, y'all be mindful, it is not. It doesn't act like virgin hair and things like that. So it is gonna get tangly, because I did get a few snags and tags here and there. And as far as shedding, I did get shedding too. Y'all know virgin hair, synthetic hair is gonna shed anyway. So just be mindful of that. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Overall, I'm gonna give this hair a 9.5 out of 10, baby. It surpassed my expectation. Other than the quality of the curls, baby, she eat down. And I'm gonna buy her again and again and again. So if y'all guys are interested in this unit, I'll be sure to link it down in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for your continued support. Thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, until my next one, your girl will see ya later. Bye, guys.